Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Now, do you remember this cage, guys? It's the cage that my husband had recently built, and we had placed all the lovebirds that are in flight cage in that cage. So that cage had 50 lovebirds. Now guess what, guys? The other cage has been completed. So in the video where he's building the cage, you would have seen that he built 2 cages. So those cages are now complete. The other one is now complete, and we have decided to separate the lovebirds based on their color. So the yellow ones are placed in a separate cage. So whether it be yellow pied or yellow whatever, once it is mainly yellow, it is placed in the other cage. And as well as we have a few pies that we love and decide we're not going to part with, so they are in the yellow cage as well as the mass and fisher. So in the original cage, what we have leave there is a few orange face, and those are the green orange face. We have the peach face, we have a Dutch blue, and we have gray and gray pied in that cage. So yeah guys, we have separated our cage based on color and what we want to keep back, and so this is how it looks. So them have more breathing space because the last time it had looked overcrowded, so now everyone is good. So we have about 22 birds in the original cage and 32 in the yellow cage. Guys, please remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. Goodbye, adios.